and prayer.
Very good. O siya, iikutan ko pa yung ibang pasyente.
Doc, I have some good news. Meron po tayong isang pasyenteng improving ng oxygen level. Soon magkakaroon na tayo ng available ventilator.
That's very good, Eric.
Once na magkaroon tayo ng available na ventilator, kinakailangan na pong ikabit sa inyo. Bumababa na ng husto ang oxygen saturation nyo.
Eric, baka may iba pang mas nangangailangan.
Doc, hindi namin to gagawin kung hindi kami sigurado. We need to save you, Doc, so we can save more people.
Eric, I need to speak with my doctor.
Opo, Doc.
I miss you, Mommy.
No, anak. I miss you too. How are you?
May sakit ka ba, Mommy?
Nagpapahinga lang ako, anak. Pag-pray mo si Mami, ha?
Lagi kitang pinagpe-pray, Mommy, and I'm always praying that God hears your prayers.
I love you, anak. Love you, Dad.
We love you, Mommy.